Hey everybody, morning, Rob Mobbit. Guys, in my humble opinion, Red Baron Classic Crust Supreme pizza is the best $4 pizza you can buy. It's gone up a little bit, maybe $4.50. It's absolutely the best cheap frozen pizza I think out there. What we're going to do this morning, or actually the afternoon, we're going to improve upon this. We've got your pepperonis and sausage and cheese and olives and everything else. We threw in a pan here two pork sausage links, some peppers, some onions, and a bunch of mushrooms, some Italian seasoned McCormick. It's got to be McCormick, onion powder, garlic powder, and some parsley. And now we're going to put it on the pizza. And when this oven here gets up to the correct temperature, 400 degrees, we're going to pop it in here for about 20 minutes. No extra cheese. You don't want this to thaw out. Oh yeah. You can't have too many peppers and onions and mushrooms. Believe it or not, you can have too much cheese. But sausage, peppers, onions, mushrooms, come on. Now, when it gets to 400 degrees, we'll pop it in there and see what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Good day to make pizza. It's 36 degrees outside. Yeah, that'll do. I like to cook it on the rack instead of the pan. That crust is crispy as heck. Okay. Has a nice aroma, a nice smell. The Red Baron Classic Crust Supreme Pizza gets a lot of good reviews. It's probably one of the most popular frozen pizzas sold in the stores for the price. It always has a nice crunch. There's a little salty tanginess to it, and there's not too much cheese. I love cheese, but sometimes there's too much. And there's a little bit of a peppery spice to it. And by adding these little pieces of the pork sausage and the onions and the peppers and the mushrooms, It really gives more balance to the pizza. There isn't any weird aftertaste. There is a danger of adding too much of the peppers, onions, and mushrooms. It would make it too wet. But I think I would have been better with more mushrooms. It was worth the risk. This was 20 minutes on the upper rack. And the oven wasn't quite 400. It was like 350. But it was getting up there. Are there better pizzas? Yes. Are there better pizzas at $4, $4.50? No. Can you improve other pizzas by adding the same ingredients I added? Yes. But you still, I think this is probably the best frozen pizza out there. Thumbs up to Red Baron. Red Baron Classic Crust Supreme Pizza.